Hello everyone, in this video I got a DIY AB class amplifier from the London company. So the package includes all you need to build yourself DIY amplifier. Here we are looking to the main board. It's nice that it is showing what component in what place should be installed. Here is a here is a radiator. So here is a TDA7576B chip. It's AB class, so it's quite nice. It has like output per channel, 20 watts per channel output. It's not that much, but for AB class it's okay. So on the low and mid volume this amplifier should work fine. There is also an instruction how to solder it. So if you know, or if you know how to use soldering iron, or if you have experience in soldering, it will be a good gift for you to build yourself own amplifier. Of course, there is an instruction manual on showing which component where you need to install. And so wait, I think I need to, yes. So yeah, I think it goes here, but maybe I'm wrong. I need to look at the instruction manual myself. So yeah, here are all the components on my desk. Resistors, capacitors and other things. And so yeah, I'll be soldering it on the board using the instruction manual. And yeah, so let me show you the page of this amplifier. So here you see it. This is DKT-XX20AB. It's a class AB amplifier on the TDA7576B chip. So it's quite nice, and I think it will be a good gift for people who like to do things themselves and know how to use soldering iron and know how to, or just studying how to solder. So it will be a good nice gift. Yeah, I will leave a link in the description for this amplifier, of course. So if you will like it, you could totally buy it for yourself. It's not that expensive too. Currently, I think the price could change, but currently its price is really low. Maybe it will go higher soon. So yeah. Also, I have this 24 volts, 60 watts power adapter for this amplifier. So yeah. Now I'm gonna prepare my table and bring my soldering iron, and I'll try to put all the components on the right place, so amplifier will work. I expect it to work. I don't expect it to get some short circuits and get broken or whatever. So yeah, so stay tuned. I'm bringing my equipment, and here we go. Okay, so I've soldered everything. It doesn't look really pretty, but electronics don't care. The component should be intact, and it should work properly without any problem. I've soldered the amplifier, as you can see here. So it is better to install a heatsink with this amplifier and then solder it. Otherwise, it could be a problem putting it all together. But here how it looks. I just need to clean it and I'll be testing it. Okay, so I finished this amplifier. I made this socket for the power adapter. I'm using this 24-volt power adapter. Yeah, so that's how the board looks. I didn't solder in a long time, so yeah, if you can see, there is not enough soldering iron here, but here everything's in place. Of course, I'll need to clean flux to make this board look prettier, but I don't have any cleaning how do you say, stuff to clean off this flux. Yeah, but I'll clean it little bit later. So that's how it looks. I had two of these diodes with wrong polarity, but now I had to resolder them, and so now they are in place and with right polarity. So this amplifier should work without any problem. So let's hook some speakers, those Yamaha NXE 800 and this power block and this 4CD-S1 sound card, and see if this amplifier will work. Okay, so let's power it on and see how it works. Let me play some song and power this amplifier. Okay, so it is totally working and it's playing quite loud. So 20 watts per channel, it's more than enough for the regular volume to listen to the music on the average volume. Yeah, and if you ask me if I hear any difference between this DIY AB amplifier and other like Class D amplifiers, I don't hear any difference at all. I I can only hear difference when I'm adjusting frequency response and adjusting equalizer. So yeah, this amp is powered from the 24 volt 65 or 60 watts power adapter. Yeah, so it's totally working. Of course, I had a mistake because I've soldered diode the wrong way. Actually, two of them. So I had to resolder, and now it works as it should. Yeah. So I'm quite happy with this amplifier because like it took me like 3 hours to solder everything on board, but now I can say that I made amplifier by myself. Yeah. So yeah, it's actually it will work as a gift for a person, or if you want to solder and practice soldering, this is totally for you. And you will get yourself amplifier for the home listening. And 20 watts per channel, it's actually enough. So yeah, I will leave a link for this amplifier in the description. Now let me play one more song. Okay, let's see this one. And if you can see, the volume is only set to 20. This is 4CD1 audio card. Let's boost volume. Okay, so this little amplifier could totally power those Yamaha NX E800 speakers without any problem. Yes, the link to this amplifier will be in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please press thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the description. And of course, subscribe to the channel so I could film any useful videos more frequently. So yeah, Roman was with you. Thumbs up and see you next time. Bye bye.